Hi, I'm going to show you how to use packages. And these are Python packages on an HPC cluster. In this case it will be about Pelle, the Pelle HPC cluster. And this session is part of the course using Python in an HPC environment taught by all these centers. In this session we're going to practice using the documentation of your HPC cluster. We can find and load a Python package module at the end of this session, and we can determine if a package is installed. I will tell you why Python packages are important, why modules are important, and I'll walk you through the exercises. Alright, with that out of the way, why Python packages are important? It's because Python packages are pieces of tested Python code. You should prefer using a Python package over writing your own code. Python package can be very big. This can take very long time to write a Python package. And at this point, if you follow, prefer using other people. So the other people need to fix it. It's a good idea to use others' work. But also, why are software modules important? And with software modules, I mean the software modules on an HPC cluster. An HPC cluster has software modules, so you need to load a version of a software module. We've done this on day one, yesterday. Software modules allow users of any HPC cluster to activate their favorite software of any version. This helps to assure reproducible research. Also, it allows different researchers to work with different versions. Alright, let's go through the exercises. Exercise 1, pick a Zoom room. This is not important for now. Exercise 1, using Python packages. So let's do this. Log into your HPC cluster. So I assume you can do this. I've already done that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this code here to the left. At the right, I have logged into Pelle. Let's remove everything here, there, clear the screen. I am on Pelle, as you can see here. Next step, load the Python module of the version below. And I'm not going to repeat this because we've done this yesterday. Instead, what I'm going to do module load Python just to see what happens. Maybe it already works. Oh, and we need to have a version. So I think it is this. Let's take a look what it says. Maybe I'm even right, maybe not. Nope. So we're going to do module spider Python to look for how to load Python. There's a lot of stuff. Here we see Python. Right, so this is capital P. I want to have version 3.12.3. This one. So this is the module I need to load. So I do Ctrl-Shift-C to copy. I do module load that, and now I have loaded the Python module of this version. Take a look. Yeah, this is exactly what I've just done. Next step. Confirm that the Python package indicated in the table below is absent. You can use any way to do so. So for Pelle, the Python package is called torch. There are multiple ways to check this. You can Google this. One of the ways is to use pip list. So I press enter and I see all the Python packages that are now installed. And we see that torch is not installed at all. Another way is to start the Python interpreter and type import torch. This will give you an error if it's not present. Right. So we have just confirmed that let's use the right form exit. So we have now confirmed that torch does not exist. Let's take a look at the answers. Yeah, the answers suggest pip list. That's one of the ways. Next, find a software module to load the package. Use either the documentation of the HPC Center or use the module system. So I'll take the hard way. I'm going to search for torch, module spider torch, and see if I can find it that way. Alright, so here I find PyTorch, And you do need to know that it indeed is in this Python package. This is the name of the software module, and indeed PyTorch has the torch module in it. So this is one way. This is how to use the module system. Let's take a look what the answer says. Pelle module spider torch. That is just exactly what I did, and it worked. I can also take a look at the documentation. So if I go to the UpMax documentation, I put it in a tab here, make it a bit smaller. I go to the home. Let's go to the main page instead of giving it away here. And I'm going to search here. So let's go back. So there's a search button here. If I press torch, the first hit, and also shows a tab here, it brings me to the word Python bundles. So this is a page about Python bundles, whatever those are. I press Ctrl F, I search for torch, and here I find that indeed the main package in the PyTorch package, PyTorch software module is called torch. There's even a third way, and this is asking an AI. We have one. How do I load? Which software module do I need to load for the torch Python package? And AI can sometimes be bad. Let's see if the AI can find it. But here we find that we are working on Pelle. It beautifully gives the old answer here for all the HPC clusters. And Pelle is a new HPC cluster. Indeed, it shows us the right version. Let's double check if this is the same. PyTorch/studio. Yeah, it's exactly the same. So these were 3 ways to find out how to load PyTorch. So we have found the documentation here. We asked AI, we've used the module system, and now we need to load the thing. So well, I see already from the module system it's this, so I'm going to do module load PyTorch. And now the thing is loaded. See if the package is now present. So you can do this with pip list. There. And I see that there are more Python packages installed, and here we see torch. The other way is to start Python. We do import torch, and this should now work. Here, and it does, because the torch package is now available. This means we have now the torch package installed on Pelle. It also means we're done with this session. So with this, I round off the session on using packages on Pelle for the course using Python HPC environment as taught by these centers. With that, I wish you a very good day. Bye!